Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have this product. This is a spiral mug. We are going to learn how to do this path to make this spiral. Remember, you can download in the first link of the description this drawing to follow these instructions. To start, we create a cylinder, select this plane. The diameter is 150 millimeters and the height is 180 millimeters. In the Modifier tab, select the Shell tool to remove the material inside the cylinder. It has a thickness of 5 millimeters. To create the spirals, we need to create two sketches with the distance we can select the plane inside this drawing. Create a line with 30 millimeters. Make this distance 30 millimeters. And apply a constraint, a vertical constraint. Okay. We create another sketch with this vertical line. Align the vertical. Apply a distance of 30 millimeters. And okay. We need to create a sweep. Select the profile, select the path, and we need to twist this 360 degrees. Okay. With the thickness tool, we need to apply minus 10 millimeters. Okay. Now we can start to apply some fillets in this project. 5 millimeters. Another fillet in this face. 5 millimeters. Apply some fillets here on the top. 2.5 millimeters. On the base, 10 millimeters, and inside the mug, 5 millimeters. We need to copy this 3 times. Select the circular pattern, features, the sweep command, thickness, 2 fillets on the axis, the z-axis, S3, optimize, that's okay. Now we can apply some colors on this project. Color, we need to select painting, here, some blue color, the right color, and the red color here. We can change this blue as a more, and that's okay. This is the Sphere mug, a product that we learn how to apply this sweep using the surface. Select the button like here below and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.